Welcome back. My name is Maxim from Momoyoga, and today we're going to have a look at custom branding. Custom branding basically allows us to add a custom color and a logo to our Momoyoga environment, which will be reflected in the Momoyoga environment, as well as the invoices that we send out and the website integration that we have. To get started, we're going to go and head over to the settings tab, and we're going to go and click on branding. Within here, we're able to upload the logo that we have for our brand, as well as select a color. If we have a specific brand color, we're able to paste the hex code in here, and otherwise we're able to scroll and select the color that best fits for us. We can immediately also see it being reflected within the interface here in the preview. So if you're happy with the interface that you created, you can click on save, and that's basically it. It's all reflected within your Momoyoga environment. And that was it for this tutorial. We hope you found it useful. Let us know what you think, and if you want to know more about Momoyoga, or if you have any other question, you can visit our help center. And if you enjoyed this video, we have many more videos like this covering a lot of different topics.